Hello students, today in this session of English we are going to do grammar. Okay, as English portion is completed, we have completed the worksheet as well, and in grammar only last two exercise of chapter number 2 is remaining, so that we will complete so that we can start worksheet in grammar as well, right? So we are going to do grammar. Only two exercises are remaining of let's perfect it. Okay, that is question number A. Now students, question number A is very easy. Read the story, short story given below, underline the nouns and identify their cases. Write N for nominative case, O for objective case, and P for possessive case. So this is homework for you, as it is very easy, right? Nominative case you can easily identify. Nominative case means subject. When subject is performing action, then that is nominative case. Object means when there is direct object in a sentence, right? And possessive means apostrophe S. It shows possession, right? So this is homework for you. We'll start with question number B, right? We have to change the abstract noun. What we have to do? We have to change the abstract noun, right? We have to underline. What we have to do? Underline the incorrect word in each sentence and write the correct word. Now they have given wrong noun, right? So we have to underline it and we have to correct it. For example, first one. First one is already done for you. So second one, it is entirely your choose which film you would like to see. Your choose or your choice? Of course choice, right? So question number B, page number 11, first one is choice. First is already done for you. Third, now standing on the beach, we could see a float of sheep anchored at a distance. Now as I told you, we have learned in collective noun, right? That when we are talking about ship, group of ship together, that is not float, that is flotilla. What? That is flotilla of ship. So correct noun will be flotilla. Okay, now next, let us take proud in our work. Proud in our work, proud will change into pride, right? Proud is a wrong word. Let us take pride in our work. Okay. Now next, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Proof. Okay. Now next, live is what you make it. Live is what you make it. Life is what you make it. They have given a wrong noun. We have to correct it. Right? Life is what you make it. Okay. Please give a sit to the lady. SIT, sit, is a correct spelling. When I say sit down, I'll use SIT. But when we offer someone a seat, we use SEAT. Right? So here spelling of seat is wrong. SEAT will come. Right? Now next one, wise cannot be taught. Wise, wisdom cannot be taught. Now next one, some of the relatives were present at the read of his will. Read of his will or reading of his will? Reading. You know now what is will? The distribution of property, right? That is what will. Now next, the film had a happy end. No, the film had a happy ending, right? So what will be the correct answer? Ending. Okay. Now we will start with question number C, page number same, that is 11. Now first one, the police are talking to Tom. What you have to do? Underline the preposition and circle their object. So that we have already learned, object of preposition, right? You have to, what we have to do, you have to underline the preposition and you have to circle the that object of preposition. Okay. The police are talking to Tom. So here to is what, students? Preposition. And along with to, what is the object? Tom. So Tom will be the object. Now in one sentence there can be more than two object of preposition. I think he is under suspicion. Now under is what, students? Under is preposition. Now suspicion will be object of preposition along with from. Now for a crime. Now in the same sentence, for is also what? Preposition, and crime is what? Object of preposition. Like this you have to do. Now second one. How many people were there at the party? So at is what, students? Preposition. What is the object along with at? Party. So party will be object of preposition. Okay, students. Now next. She is clearly nervous when it comes to making a presentation. Now making is not an object, right? Presentation is object. And to is what? Preposition. So to is a preposition, along with that presentation is object. Okay. Now I am sure he didn't mean to hit you with the ball. It must have happened by accident. Now I am sure he did not mean to hit you with the ball. Now with the ball. Now to hit. Here to is there, but along with that any object is not there. So we cannot take to as a preposition. Now with the ball. Can you see this phrase? With the ball. So with is what? Preposition. You have to underline. And what is the object with preposition? Ball. Now in the same way, it must have happened by accident. By is what, students? Preposition. And along with that, what is our object? Accident. Okay, students. It means there should be object along with the preposition. Then only you can underline. Now in fourth one, it is there. See, to is there. To is a preposition, but along with that to, there is no object, right? I am sure he did not mean to hit you, right? So object is not there. So that will not come in preposition. With the ball is a preposition. Okay, with is preposition. Now fifth one. You are under no obligation to accept my job offer. Now under is what, students? Preposition. Now what is object here? Obligation. Obligation is what? Object. Now you can consider it and get back to me. So here also means after that there is no other preposition and object with preposition. Okay, students. So till 5 we have completed. 6 to 10 you have to try it by yourself. Okay, students. In this way we have completed the chapter number 2, that is nouns. Now we have completed the portion for FA1. So in next session of grammar we will start with worksheet, right? Chapter number 1, worksheet of chapter number 1 we have already started, right? So we'll continue with that. Okay, students.